Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So we are going to do some word problems today, but it's going to be different. We're going to change it up a little bit. We don't want it to get boring, right? So this time, what I have done is I have drawn a picture right here. So your job is going to be to come up with your own word problem based on this picture. So let's take a look at the picture. Excuse me. At the picture, we've got Ella. All right, so on your paper, you may have printed this off, or again, if you didn't, if you're not able to print it off, that's totally fine. Just get any piece of paper, lined, blank. Okay, just draw 2 lines, and in the middle, you want to draw this picture. So we've got Ella. So you want to write down Ella, and I wrote down. Let's see how many circles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little circles here. And then below that we have Mary. And you'll see I put one circle below the other, right? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So go ahead and draw that. If you need to pause the video, please do. And then when you're done drawing it, come on back. Okay, go ahead. And welcome back. Okay, so you need to come up with a word problem, which you can write up above your picture. Okay, so your word problem, don't use one of mine, but it could be anything. It could be like Ella, and these circles can represent whatever you want. It could be that Ella has eight apples, and Mary has 5 apples. How many apples do they have? Right, a little boring. Get something more interesting like Ella is a dragon slayer, and she slayed 8 dragons. And Mary is a monster slayer, and she slays Godzillas, so she slayed 5 Godzillas. How many monsters did they slay in total? Right? That would be like a fun, kind of cool word problem. So again, your job, okay, is to write down. If you're not sure how to spell something, don't worry about it. Just do your best. Have fun with it, okay? And then the equation. All right, so when you're done writing your word problem, come back and we'll talk about the equation. It'll depend on what your word problem is. Okay, so pause the video. All right, have fun doing this, and I'll see you in a second. All right, welcome back once again. I would love to hear what your word problems are. If your word problem involves addition, which is what we've been doing a lot of, it would be something like 8 plus 5 equals what? What's 8 plus 5 the same as? It's the same as, did you get 13? That's what I got. I got 13. So I know that there's 8 here. If I take these 2 and add it to the 8, that's 10 plus 3 more is 13. So that's how I would think of it. All right, I hope you had fun with this today. Okay, you can do this anytime you want. You could do it with one of your siblings or your parents. You could say, hey, here's a word problem. Can you solve it? Or give them a picture. Draw a picture and see if you can come up with a word problem that goes with it. Okay, so have fun with it. And I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.